Hello student, today we will start with English grammar chapter 7 complement subject and object. There are two types of complement, subject complement and object complement. Now let's see what is subject complement. Subject complement is a word or a phrase used after a verb to describe the subject. The subject underlined word and phrase in the following sentence are subject complement. For example, I am tired. My son became an actress. The word tired and the phrase an actress describes the subject of the verb. Therefore, they are subject complement. The complement of an intransitive word always says something about the subject and is therefore also a subject complement. Mary is beautiful. For example, Mary is beautiful. So here the complement beautiful says something about the subject Mary. They seemed upset. Here the subject upset says something about the subject they. The chief verb the chief verb of incomplete prediction is be, is, am, are, was, were, shall be, will be. Others are seem, appear, look, become, grow, feel, turn, taste, etc. For example, the night grew dark. Here the adjective dark is the complement to the verb grew. The milk turned sour. Here the adjective sour is the complement to the verb turn. Thus the subject complement may be of different kind. It could be an adjective, a noun, a pronoun, a participle, an infinitive, an adverb, or a phrase. Her brother is a good writer. Good writer. So writer is what? A noun. The little girl looked sleepy. Sleepy is what? Adjective. The old woman was talking to herself. Present participle. He is to go. To go is what? Infinitive. Mosquitoes are everywhere. Everywhere is what? Adverb. An object complement comes after the object of the verb and give us information about the object. So what is object complement? An object complement comes after the object of the verb and gives us information about the object. The underlined words and phrase in the following sentence are object complement. For example, the director made her the lead actress. The lead actress is what? An object complement. We found the film interesting. Interesting is what? Object complement. So here the phrase the lead actress gives us information about the object her. So the word interesting gives us information about the object the film. More examples have been given below. Aditya called his dog Raja. Subject is what? Aditya. Verb is call. Then object is his dog. And object complement Raja. The member elected Mrs. Shalini, their president. So here the subject is what? The members. See, subject and predicate we have learned. So like that only. So here the king is what? Subject. Named, verb. Object, his youngest son. And object complement is what? His successor. In this, the king named his young son his successor. Here subject the member, verb elected, object Mrs. Shalini, and object complement their president. Note: the object complement can also be an adjective or an adjectival phrase. My reply made my father angry. My is what? My reply is subject. Made is verb. My father object. Object complement angry. The manager kept the clerk away busy. Clerk always busy. The subject is the manager, verb kept. Object the clerk. Object complement always busy. The teacher considered the girl very studious. Subject the teacher. Verb the considered. Object the girl. Object complement very studious. The judge found the accused guilty. Subject the judge. Found verb. The accused object. Object complement guilty. We proved them wrong. We the subject. Proved verb. Object them. Object complement wrong. Pick out the adjective and state their kind. Exercise number 7. Pick out the adjective and state its kind. Object or subject complement. She was quite studious and intelligent. Mrs. Sen found her subdued. She was too proud. He was big and strong and very fierce. The camel was happy and grateful. The acute blue sky was now looking jet black. She felt terribly guilty. The horizon grew wider and clearer. Our four-castle cannon was immediately loaded and leveled. The monster seemed motionless. So, this whole chapter, along with definition and example and exercise, you have to write in your notebook and submit it. Thank you so much.